It's Jody here with Squiggly Doodles. Today we're going to doodle a really cute watermelon. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Let's go get doodling. All right, let's get started on our watermelon. I'm using Sharpie today, and if you use Sharpie, just make sure you put an extra piece of paper underneath. So let's get started. My watermelon's gonna be kind of sideways on my paper, and I'm just gonna draw a line starting here, going like that. And then from here, we're gonna draw a line going down. And I think I'm gonna make my watermelon a little bigger. So now we're going to draw one line going down and up. And this is like a big half a slice of a watermelon. And then I'm going to draw the rind of the watermelon going down. This is the green part. And then if you ever looked at a watermelon, there is the little white part. So we're just going to draw another line following like that. All right. Now my watermelon's going to have a cute little face. So on one side I'm going to draw a circle, and on the other side I'm going to try to draw the same size. And then two big circles inside the eye and color around. And if I go too fast, just press pause at any time during the video. All right, let's finish coloring that in, just like that. Now my watermelon's just gonna have a really cute little smile right in the middle. And I'm just gonna make that shape and a little line on each side of its mouth. Now this watermelon's gonna have some seeds, and I'm gonna start a seed just like this. So it's like a raindrop. You make a point, you go out, come back around, and go up. And I'm just gonna do a couple different seeds all around. Maybe even one that is on that side. And then you can color them. You want to make sure that your seeds aren't all on one side. You just kind of, anywhere you see some empty space, you could fill it in with a seed. Just like that. All right, I think my watermelon's had enough seeds. So now let's go ahead and color. Today I am using greens and reds and a little bit of pink. All right, so let's get started coloring. Right, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of detail. I'm gonna add some fun eyebrows, and I'm gonna add some dark lines and make a fun textured look to my watermelon. One of the other things that I did with the rind of the watermelon is I colored in really dark green lines, and then I went lightly and colored it all the same color of this green, and then I took my lighter color and colored it dark over it. And it just made it look really cool. So now that this is colored with red and pink, I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna draw some really dark red lines. And when I go to my eye, I pick up my crayon because I don't want the red to go on the white. And I'm just gonna do this. And you can watch, and if I go too fast, just press pause. All right, friends, there is our yummy, fun watermelon. And now I'm just gonna lightly go over it and color any areas that I see look a little whiter. I hope you had a lot of fun drawing our watermelon today, and don't forget to subscribe.
Squiggly Doodles!
All right, we drew a great watermelon. But now, let's turn it into a fun picture to give to Dad on Father's Day. You can write, "Dad, you're one in a melon." Happy Father's Day!